In this video, we will explore how to implement the delete functionality in a to-do application. Get ready to enhance your app by enabling users to remove tasks they've completed or no longer need. Let's examine the key aspects of the delete function. On the left, you'll see a code snippet that outlines the basic structure of the deleteTodo function, which takes an ID as a parameter and removes the corresponding to-do item. On the right, we have a list of the key features that this function will provide. First, it will remove a specific to-do item, then update the state in an immutable manner, and finally, trigger a user interface re-render to reflect the changes. Before implementing the delete functionality, it's crucial to set up state management using React's useState hook. Here's how we initialize the Todo state with an array containing a couple of sample to-do items. Each to-do item has an ID and text property. We also define a setTodos function, which will be used to update the Todo state when deleting a to-do. Let's dive into implementing the deleteTodo function. This function takes the ID of the to-do to be deleted as input. It then uses the setTodos function to update the Todo state by filtering out the to-do with the matching ID. This is achieved using the filter method, which creates a new array containing only the Todos that do not have the specified ID. This ensures that the state is updated immutably. Now, let's integrate the delete functionality into the user interface by adding a delete button to each to-do item. Within the Todos.map function, we create a list item for each to-do. Inside each list item, there is a delete button. When the button is clicked, the deleteTodo function is called with the ID of the corresponding to-do. This triggers the deletion of the to-do from the state and updates the user interface accordingly. Congratulations! We have successfully implemented the delete functionality in our to-do application. On the left, we see confirmation that the delete function has been created, a user interface button has been integrated, and the state updates properly. On the right, we've outlined the key accomplishments, including immutable state updates, clean user interface integration, and a functional delete operation. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.